Hey Park Explorers, I'm Addie and I'm an AmeriCorps member working with the Florida Conservation Corps. Today we are going to explore one of the finest and largest remaining mature hardwood forests here in Florida, San Velasco Hammock Preserve State Park.
San Velasco is a 7,360 acre preserve filled with forest, streams, wetlands, and rolling hills. The unique landscape and limestone outcrops of San Velasco allow over 20 natural communities to live here. Due to the importance of preserving the richness of natural community types found exclusively in the area, San Velasco Hammock Preserve State Park was acquired in 1974. One of the things that makes it extra special is that the park is home to an endangered forest community.
This month's program is all about plants. Life would not be possible without a wide diversity of plants. Just like you and I, plants eat, breathe, communicate, build communities, and are full of personality. Plants are constantly bursting with activity every second of the day. Plants provide their communities with food, shelter, and oxygen, and a single tree offers food and a home for insects, birds, fungi, lichens, and mammals such as bats or bobcats. San Velasco is home to at least 700 different species of plants. Today we're going to teach you how to identify some of these plants within an endangered forest type in Florida called the upland mixed woodland. If you see these plants, know that you may be walking within a community that is rarely seen outside the park in Florida today.
The southern red oak is strong and wholesome. Its leaf often looks like a turkey foot, but because of this, it is sometimes confused with the turkey oak tree. However, the base of the southern red oak's leaf is bell-shaped, while turkey oak has a V-shaped. Its bark is dark colored, thick with broad, scaly ridges separated by deep, narrow furrows. The mockernut hickory tree is old, wise, and resistant to change. It has compound leaves, which means a bunch of single leaves called leaflets are all attached by a short stem to a main stem. Each leaf has 5 to 9 leaflets, with the leaflet at the end being the largest. The underside of the leaves and the leaf stalks are hairy. The bark is gray with shallow and narrow ridges and furrows that form a diamond-like pattern. But the grand old master of the upland mixed woodland is the longleaf pine. These tough trees laugh in the face of fire, hurricanes, and lightning, and can live to be over 400 years old. Their long pine needles help provide the fuel for the frequent natural fires that keep the upland mixed woodland healthy. Their bark is thick, orange-brown, and scaly. Plus, they make super big pine cones.
Remember, if you see any of these plants around you, there's a good chance that you're a visitor in a natural community that few people have a chance to see in their lifetime. Now it's your turn. When visiting San Velasco, keep these tips in mind.
The preserve has so much to offer that you can't see everything in just one day by foot, bike, or horse. Be sure to bring your own drinking water as there isn't always a water source, and pack other supplies you might need for a day on the trail. Do not climb the trees. They may look tough, but climbing the trees can harm them or destroy an animal's home, so it's better to enjoy the tree from the ground instead.
I hope you have a great time exploring San Velasco Hammock Preserve State Park as part of the Museum in the Parks program. There are lots of plants out there shaping their natural communities. By making good choices, you can change your community as well as the plants that live within it for the better too. So get out there and have fun! Bye!